New-gen Skoda Octavia will likely go on sale in early 2021 in India with a host of cosmetic and interior changes. The first pictures of the undisguised next-generation Skoda Octavia came up on the internet in late July 2020 and now it has been caught again on camera. In November 2019, Skoda unveiled the fourth generation of its highly popular Octavia sedan in Prague. While has slowly shrunken in India, its demand on global scale still exists. Thus, the Czech Republican automaker made several changes both inside and out to give customers a new package to rely on. The RS version of the Octavia did gain good attention in its initial phases, but there are reports of unsold units found on the showrooms as well. The upcoming 4th gen version will continue to rival the Honda Civic and the Hyundai Elantra in the domestic market. The duo is relatively fresh as the Civic made its domestic comeback early last year and the Elantra was given a facelift just under a year ago. As expected, the spy shots do show the visual changes seen on the global version as the front fascia and the rear have been thoroughly upgraded to stick by the brand's design philosophy followed globally. On the outside, the 2021 Skoda Octavia gets heavily garnished chrome front grille with black slats, sharper LED headlights with integrated LED daytime running lights in a single cluster, revised front bumper with black bezels covering the entire width, horizontal LED fog lamps and newly designed 17-inch wheels. While the clean profile of the Octavia has been retained on the sides, you cannot help but think that it has become sleeker courtesy of the sportier creases and character lines compared to the old model. The rear boasts sculpted tailgate, new LED tail lamps, redesigned bumper and prominently embossed Skoda lettering. Just as the exterior, the cabin gains a host of changes including a new 10-inch touchscreen, 10.25-inch digital instrumentation, 3-zone climate control, and a host of driver assistive and safety features. Based on the updated MQB platform, the upcoming Octavia will use a new 1.5-litre TSI petrol producing around 150 horsepower and a 190 horsepower capable 2.0-litre petrol. A 6-speed manual and a 7-speed DSG will be on offer.
Raindrop, drip, drop top, hot top, smoking, no cooking the hot. You fucking on your bitch, yeah, that.